everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your first week of January reading, start from the 1st through the 7th of January 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this first week time. We'll be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what's coming up for you guys. Let's begin. Let's see. Wow, the star. Feeling hopeful, feeling guided, feeling positive about whatever it is that you're choosing to start the week with. You are going to feel like you are connected with your divine, and pretty much you would be in alignment with what you desire as well, because you are going to feel at peace. Whatever you are doing, whatever the current circumstances are, you are at peace. You are not worried. You are not scared. You are not fearful. I feel like it's more of you feeling content in whatever that is happening in your life right now, and you feel like something divine is happening, something divine is going to bring forth what you want without getting upset around anything. It's like your belief in the divine timing is what I'm picking up with this card here. You start the month, year, and the week with that kind of mindset. Let's see more cards here. Ooh, pair up with the High Priestess. Your intuition is going to be very heightened as you enter into this week time. You would be able to pick up signs. You will be able to, for majority of you might be seeing the dreams, and the next day you are having that exactly same thing. It's kind of that aligned that you are. It's more like you are tapped into the God energy right now, where you can sense, pick, and manifest easily and effortlessly. If you use this time to think just the positive thoughts, think just what you desire, the desired outcomes, without thinking of what is the hindrances towards that path, without thinking any negative thought. If you think of what you want, you you will be able to manifest that in your reality there and then. It's that kind of a quick energy that you are experiencing right now, and whatever it is that you're thinking or focusing on much, you are able to have it in your reality there and then. Your energy is going to be that kind in the very beginning of the week. Let's see more cards here. Knight of Cups. You can sense that somebody is coming up with an offer to make to you. It can be you sensing that somebody else is coming towards you, or maybe you sensing that maybe it's the right time that you should make an offer to someone. And it will be like a guided thing. Like, you would have this feeling from within, the calling from within, which is, again, if you are making a move towards someone, you will know that this is the right time. This is the inspired action that you are taking towards a specific someone. If it is made to you, that person, whoever it is that is making this move, they would be so sure that the answer is going to be yes. Even if you are on the receiving end, you know that there is somebody that you love, there is somebody that you want. You have a firm belief around it, and you can already see that person coming forward with an offer. So you would be pretty much in the gratitude mode, where you are already thanking God, universe, for bringing you your wish fulfilled with this one person, one relationship. And I do see that you can sense them coming towards you with an offer, or you can sense that you are going to reach out to them with an offer and they are going to accept it there and then. With the Death card paired up with this, it seems like the situation between you and this person has changed completely. Maybe in 2020, if they approached you, or in 2020 if you approached them, things would have been completely different. But the satisfaction, the inner peace, the alignment that you feel with your God is bringing that miraculous faith in you about your situation, where you are so sure that if you make a move, if you make this move towards the specific someone, they are going to accept it now. Why? The faith is coming because your belief and your alignment, and the like I mentioned earlier, you are tapped into the God like energy. Now, why is that so? It's because you believe that all is possible for you. You believe that nothing is um you know nothing in this world exists which you cannot have. If you make up your mind, if you can, hold your thought about something that you want to achieve, you can obviously have it in your life. So that's your belief, that's your faith, that's your belief in your prayers, affirmations, and your love for a specific someone. You believe that if we go with confidence around it, we will always get success. So it's all, I feel like, it's all together a new you, altogether a new perspective, altogether a new vibe that you are vibing in right now, which is going to make you feel so confident about the move that you are making, about the offer that is going to come your way, and you are so ready to accept this already. I feel like, whether you make a move or they come towards you, the communication is happening, the offer is going to being made as well. So it's more like, the timing where you and your person are both on the same page. If you don't reach out to them, they will be reaching out to you this week time, because that's how it is destined to happen. The universe has a better plan which you might not pick up right now, maybe for some of you, but for majority of you, you can sense it already happening. This week is going to be the game changer where you are going to communicate and you are going to make a move towards each other, taking this connection to the next level. Underneath the deck, we do have the Wheel of Fortune. Underneath that, we do have Four of Pentacles. Underneath that, we do have Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. So somebody who was holding back is coming forward to make an offer. It can be you, it can be them as well. Now, I feel like, hold on, let me see. What is Four of Pentacles, please? What is it all about? There has been love in this connection ever since it started, but somebody was holding their feelings back. This time is the right time, perfect time to have the love expressed. Somebody took their time to decide and make this decision to come forward and make a move towards you. It is now you receiving the justice. Somebody has chosen you. Somebody has basically, they had chosen you earlier as well. It's just that they were never committing to you about this connection, and they are putting an end to whatever that was like keeping you both apart. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Wow. You are communicating and you are getting an offer coming from your person for sure. Or either you are the one making an offer for sure. The offer is being made. Take several deep breaths. Exhale slowly to awaken your energy and to release old patterns. Breathing while meditating is going to help you a lot during this time. Like I said, try to keep your focus on the things that you want to manifest, because your intuition, your energy that brings your thoughts to reality is so heightened right now. Use this time to manifest whatever you want and think of the thoughts that you want to manifest. Don't think of any negative thought, because you will manifest that as well. The answers you need are coming. Whatever you want, whatever you need, whatever guidance that you want, maybe you can, ask for that guidance too. You will be receiving the guidance coming through in dreams and other, messages that you would be receiving from the universe while you're awake as well. So just seek guidance if you need guidance, and focus on the things that you want. Let's see one more card here. Let's see what else is coming up for the Leos. Forgiveness. It's time for you to forgive the past. Try to let go of past patterns. Like I said, I already see some sort of change coming up in this connection and within you as well. You are going to be a different you. I already said that the way your perception, the way you deal with things, it's all going to be changed as you move towards as you have entered into 2021. The attitude towards life, the attitude towards yourself, the attitude towards relationships has been changed already. So for majority of you, you might have forgiven the past, forgiven yourself, forgiven all that has happened. Now you are taking things differently. You are knowing and understanding that you are worthy of anything and everything that you desire, and you can have it all without restricting yourself by thinking, no, maybe I cannot have this. You can have all of it, and that's exactly what you're doing. You are manifesting whatever it is that you're wanting, wishing, and hoping for. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.